Welcome to the Bumperdum channel. Today we will be speaking about the Bumperdum Duet, which is our latest release. It's an all-in-one diaper but with a separate insert, so you get to decide how much absorbency you need based on your child's needs. Let's speak about the shell first. This is what the shell looks like. It looks very similar to the shell of our 1.2 AIO. It has 4 dry snaps in the front and it has side closing snaps. The side closing snaps, once you get used to them, they are so easy that even dads and grandparents find it really easy to use. The outer layer of this diaper is waterproof to contain the messes. The inner layer is lined with this really super soft microfleece which keeps your baby's bottom dry. There are 2 snaps right at the back, which is where the insert gets attached. Now this shell can be used on your baby right from the age of 3 months up until 3 years or 17 kgs, so you don't have to worry about your child outgrowing this diaper before potty training. Now let's come to the inserts. Today we've released 2 inserts to go with the Bumperdum Duet shell. The infant or the daytime insert and the nighttime or the toddler insert. Both these inserts have 2 layers of hemp at the core, surrounded by 2 layers of cotton terry, and then topped off by the same soft microfleece which will keep your baby's bottom dry. So let's look at the daytime insert first. So the daytime insert has 2 parts which is snapped together. So if you have a younger baby or if you're looking for a daytime option for your older child, this is a good option. So just snap on the insert onto the shell and put it on your baby. So this is also a very trim option for younger babies. If you feel you need a little bit more of absorption, just add the other insert by snapping it on and then put it on your baby. So both the inserts together will easily last overnight for light to medium wetters. So now let's come to the nighttime insert. So this is what our nighttime insert looks like. It's very similar to the insert which is currently used in our 2.0 AIOs. It's a heavy duty insert, so it can be used overnight for heavy wetters or even during daytime for toddlers who tend to pee a lot in one go. I'll show you how to use this. So just snap on this insert to the back of the shell and fold this insert in half or maybe a little bit more depending on how much coverage your baby needs, and then put it on the baby. That's it. We put a lot of effort into coming up with this product, so we do hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to let us know on our website or on our Facebook page.